Greetings from the High Bridge, and this is from the Bronx heading towards Washington Heights, back to Manhattan Island. And crossing this bridge has been on my to-do list for the longest time, but I've been holding off until the weekend of the New York City Marathon because that is the best time for peak color in I Love New York. This is the freshwater plaque, and that's basically the story here, is that water was carried by gravity to New York City, and that's the purpose of this bridge. And then it was closed for many years when it was no longer needed to transport the water. And then in 2015, it was reopened as a pedestrian bridge connecting the borough of the Bronx to Manhattan Island. So right now we are approaching Washington Heights as we are crossing the Harlem River. Very much reminds me of crossing the walkway over the Hudson Bridge, which is Poughkeepsie, New York. And this is the Harlem River, so it's a slightly different experience, and this is a much smaller bridge, but this is one you can get to for $2.75 from the Empire State Building and enjoy all the color of I Love New York on peak autumn color weekend. Now here is a plaque that really explains what this bridge also was and what it still is today. It is a destination. The High Bridge became a popular destination for day trips. New Yorkers came by steamboat and streetcar to stroll across the walkway. And it still is. It is a destination. And today I got here by taking the A train to 168th Street. And then just walk right on over. There is the Harlem River that we'll be crossing. And a view of Manhattan Island. You can see some of the skyline from here. Another view here is the Highland section of the Bronx. We're about a mile from Yankee Stadium. Here's a view of some New York City traffic. Yes, we do still have that in abundance, but no traffic here on the bridge. Heading over to Washington Heights. Thanks for joining me as I walk across the Harlem River. Till next time, keep exploring from ever beautiful I Love New York.